Network Entertainment.
Hello! This is a new chapter in our walang edit journey. As you can see, I have a new co-host guest. Dito ulit si Pao Katigbak.
Hello.
AKA Superman. AKA Roman Reigns. AKA Jason Momoa. Lahat. Aquaman. Lahat. I-maintain niya daw yung beard niya hanggang matanggal. Mapalitan siya ng bagong co-host. But, yan, dito si Pao. But, before we introduce our very special guest, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa Tito's Latin Barbecue and Brew sa Capitolio or Green Hills. Dalawa yung branches nila. So, pinadalhan nila kami ng food kanina. Kinaya namin lahat. May natira pa, babalikan namin after this. So, bibilisan lang namin. Hindi, joke lang. So, meron silang 20% off on all their branches from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sa Capitolio yan. Katapat ng yung mataas na building sa Capitolio. Katabi ng Caution Hut. Na-promote ko na rin yung Caution Hut eh. No? Baka naman. 'Di ba? So, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. may 20% off sila lahat ng street tacos. So, and meron silang monthly shows sa Vault Green Hills. So, Comedy Manila shows nandyan. Limited lang lagi yung tickets doon. So, kumain muna kayo ng Tito's and then manood kayo ng comedy show sa Vault. Yun yung parang very speakeasy nila. Ayun lang. Thank you so much, Tito, sa pagpapadala ng lahat ng tacos. Kinain namin lahat. Pati soft shell. Favorite ko yung soft shell. Anyway, our guest for this episode, hindi ko alam bakit siya pumayag. Pero I've always, I've seen her content recently lang actually, and she was recommended by some of our guests na i-guest din namin dito. And very intimidating siya at first. Tama ba sinabi ko yun?
Okay lang.
But to introduce her, she is a singer and a content creator who always, keeps it real. She gives relationship advice and life talks that actually make sense. And she creates content that's funny, wholesome, and really relatable. Everyone, the host of the medyo seryosong podcast. Nandito si Gian Hinolan.
Yay! Hello, this is Gian speaking. Hello.
How are
Ilan?
you?
Hello, Pao.
Hello.
Okay naman.
Yeah.
Tawa ako dun sa intimidating.
Yeah, kasi I guess intimidating kasi it's the first time na na-meet kita. Ito yung first meeting namin.
Oo.
So, nagchikahan lang kami behind the scenes before actually setting up for the recording. But, tama ba? You've been, umalis ka recently, no? Nag-travel ka?
Yes. Oo, ano kami, Sapporo, Hokkaido. So,
Ooh, how was
it's
the
snow
travel?
season.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's my first winter.
Okay.
So, apparently mali yung mga dinala ko. Nag-overpack ako, pero mali yung dala ko. But lesson learned.
Paano mali?
Oo.
Like,
Mali kasi dala ko t-shirt. Parang ako okay t-shirt, jacket.
Pwede naman mag-layer na mga iba't
May
ibang
layer naman.
t-shirt.
sanay. Hayok tayo sa malamig. Nasa Pinas tayo. Kaya ko yan.
Ayaw yan. Titisin ko yan. May jacket ako. May heat tech naman.
Okay.
Pero akala ko heat tech shirt as jacket. Cool. Tapos yung gloves ko, kulang pala siya kasi parang ano to, cotton lang ba to or what? Parang mali yung dala ko apparently. So, yeah. Siguro charge for experience. Pero
Charge for
masaya
experience.
naman.
How long were you there pala?
We were there for 5-6 days. 5 6 days.
Okay.
That's a while.
I've never been to Japan.
Ano siya eh, for me, like, different experience kasi, yun nga, parang na-expect ko, okay, snow, kaya ko tong, parang minaliit ko siya kasi,
Hindi mo na-experience.
oo,
Wala tayo
wala
dito.
akong idea eh.
Yeah.
Tapos, lagi kasi akong last minute packer. That's my extreme sport. Okay? Parang ako, less than a day na lang.
Grabe yung less than a day. Okay.
And first winter ko
Wait, so paano yun? If we have a specific thing na gusto mong dalhin, tas parang napansin mo, shit, hindi pala nakalaba. So ano, isi-speedrun mo yung laba for it?
Ano na lang, ibang Damit na lang.
Okay.
Kung ano lang available. Tapos hindi kasi ako na yung parang, okay, ipaplan ko yung suot ko sa day 1, day 2, day 3. I'm just like, I'm gonna get the things that I need. Bahala na mag-mix and match na lang.
Function over
Oo.
fashion. May ganun ba?
Oo. Parang ganun.
Ah.
Medyo-ish, ganun. Pero kaya yun yung experience ko na, shucks, mali
Yeah.
pala yun talaga.
Mag-isa ka lang.
With my
Friends.
mom and my brother.
also
Family
family
trip.
trip.
Family trip
You're
siya.
middle child ka ba ulit?
Yes.
Okay, middle
Yes.
child. Pareho ni J. Cole. As if nakikinig siya. Like, how was it like growing up with, older brother ba?
Yes.
Older
Two
brother
brothers.
And then your
younger.
younger siblings.
Yes. 2 younger siblings.
Brothers also. Or
Sister and then a brother.
okay. Oh, so dalawa lang kayong girls. In the,
Right.
Mm-hmm.
How was that though? Like, sabi nila pag middle child, medyo na-overlook. Tama ba yun?
Parang hindi ako naniniwala dun.
Favorite ka ba?
Hindi naman. Walang favorite eh.
Meron yan. For sure.
Walang favorite, di ba, ma? Hindi, pero alam mo, hindi ko siya na-feel yung parang sinasabi nilang middle child curse. Parang wala.
Pero do you feel the autonomy of being a middle child? Because all the middle children I know, parang sobrang go lang ng go sila. Wala silang fear of anything.
Talaga?
Yeah, though,
Pag middle child?
That's what, kasi diba, you're usually overlooked.
Mm.
So they're like, sige, mom's with this, dad's with this. Ako na lang dito. You know, they carve their own path.
So, na-overlook nga. Na parang, ay, may pangalawa pala tayo. Ganon. Kasi for so long, ang bunso ay yung panganay. 'Di ba? And then there comes the second one, which yun na yung bunso.
Yeah.
Pangalawa, 'di ba? And then meron pa isa. So, nawawala yung gitna. Kasi panganay forever ka ng una eh.
Oo.
So, yung attention is, yung panganay hindi dapat mag-fuck up. Gets? If nag-fuck up siya, okay, doon natin mapapansin yung pangalawa or something. Kasi I have friends who are middle children din. Parang, totoo yung may pagka, hindi naman rebel, pero may pagka, hindi nonchalant eh. May pagka walang pake sa whatever is happening. Medyo, whatever happens, happens. Ganun yung ugali nila.
Okay.
Ikaw ba medyo ganun ka or not really?
Sabi nila type A daw ako eh.
Ano yung type A?
I know, right? Pero parang type A medyo like maplano, ma-details.
Okay.
So parang ganito, kunyari, speaking of traveling, I'm the one who does the itinerary. Like, I'm the one who holds the Google Maps.
So ikaw lang throughout the entire trip?
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Pero like, I'm the leader of the ducklings.
Okay,
you know?
dito tayo.
Oo, dito
Ganun.
tayo.
Okay,
Pero
okay.
of course, like, ano tayo dito? Democracy, di ba? Botohan.
Magpapapoll ka pa.
Botohan tayo dito. Pero majority wins. Parang ganun. Okay, sige, dito. Pero dito yan, okay. So, parang medyo type A na medyo sponty, na medyo open pa din.
Okay, so you're...
I'm in the middle.
Okay.
Okay.
Di ko alam eh. Parang depende sa sitwasyon talaga.
Independent ka masyado. Tingin mo.
Oo.
Okay. That explains it.
Hyper.
Kasi hindi mo kaya magplano if hindi ka independent eh. So parang ako hindi ko kaya, kahit na panganay ako, hindi ko kaya mag-itinerary. Kasi hindi ko i-consider yung gusto ng iba.
Parang ikaw,
Like,
Kasi gusto mo.
oo,
Sunod.
may intention ako na ayoko yan eh. Ayoko mag-hiking eh. Diba? So, parang meron akong intention na i-gaslight lahat na maganda yung itinerary kasi nakabase siya sa gusto ko. So, parang hindi ako reliable.
Pero I feel like that's something that works then in the sense na kaya mong i-steer yung mga gusto mo in a way na magugustuhan din lang lahat.
we can frame it that way.
Pero we
Pero,
gotta frame it in the positive
there's
way all
this
the
thing
time.
called gaslighting din. Na, hindi, gusto natin to, di ba, guys?
Masaya daw dito eh. Nakita ko sa TikTok.
Talaga? Basketball? Yeah, but okay, so I mentioned kanina that you have a podcast din, yung medyo seryosong podcast. And we did some research. Actually, Pao did some research and he mentioned kanina na you actually tried out being a radio DJ. Tama ba?
Yes,
Tama.
I did. Wow, you guys did
Yeah,
your research.
Kami ang
We try.
Wow.
kami ang Nardwar ng ng podcasting. How was that though? Like, na-mention ni Pao na hindi siya masyado nag-push through.
Yeah. Actually, hindi siya nag-push through talaga.
Okay.
I tried several things that involved speaking. So, like, VJ. Yun talaga yung pangarap ko before, maging VJ ng Mix.
Like mix.
Yes.
Specifically for
Specifically
mix.
for Mix.
Okay.
Mix, ba't di nyo? Hindi, joke lang. Okay lang, pinapatawad ko
Andito
kayo.
si VJ Gian.
Hindi lang, pinapatawad ko kayo. VJ ng Mix, ng MTV, nung may MTV pa dito sa Philippines. I tried auditioning for a radio station. And then I tried auditioning for that radio station twice. Because I think, okay, baka, try lang. And then I also became a contestant in a variety show, a noontime show, ba tawag nila doon?
Talaga?
Oo, like 3 years ago. So parang anything that involved speaking, because I really just wanted to be in front of the cam and just speak. And so I thought, di ako nakapasok Nag-try din ako mag-courtside.
I saw
reporting.
College.
reporting.
Nito lang.
Nito lang.
Oo, nung, anong taon ako? 25.
Wait, what league to?
Ano to tawag dito. Hindi yung UAP.
Is it the MPB?
MPBL? NCAA?
NCAA. Yes.
Okay.
I tried auditioning for that.
Okay.
So para ako, 25 na ako noon, turning 26, last shot ko na to.
Last na to.
Oo. Lord, alam mo, pag nakapasok ako dito, kahit saan mo naman ako ilalagay, mag-a-adjust lang ako Alam mo yun, naggagalingan ko talaga.
Be like water, my friend.
Yes, me like water. Pero hindi ako nakapasok. Sabi ko, oh man, I refuse to think I'm past my prime. I refuse to think that the opportunities already passed by. I still have that urge to speak and like be in the cam. I don't know. Maybe it's a gift. Hindi ko alam.
Yeah, definitely is.
Diba, parang-
Because it takes a level of competence and comfortability in front of the cam to be able to do that. And not everyone has that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the same thing with what you guys are doing also. Comedy. Parang kailangan Hindi, like, I wanna do this Ito yung, dito ako nalilid And so I was led to doing podcast.
Right.
Because I was
Makes
like,
sense.
guys, if you don't open your doors for me, I'm gonna drill my own door, bro.
Gagawa ka ng
Gawa ko
Monsters
sarili.
Inc. na door na, okay, boo! Ito si Gian. So, parang,
Boom.
oo.
Ayun. So that's how the podcast was born.
Right. And I saw one of your interviews like with some of good friends din ng podcast. Sila Gabe, I saw Gabe's interview and si Ikoy. And what you mentioned kanina na yung podcast mo is very specific to a certain topic.
Yes.
Which I like kasi I know what I'm going to
Or what you're
expect
expecting
for the
throughout
rest of
episode.
the episode. Kanina, sabi mo you love to talk.
Yeah.
Like, parang buong buhay mo yata. Ganon. And I see it in your content. Parang how you, hindi ko nga alam kung intentionally nagpo-provide ka ng good advice or it's just you really talking. But you have this sort of like, whenever I think people follow you because they feel comfortable when you talk. And you have that kind of energy na not a lot of people do. Na parang, okay, I'm gonna say something, but medyo warm siya. Very welcoming. Sabi ko kanina kay Pao na parang kung nasa bahay tayo, tapos si Gian yung mag-welcome, parang at home ka agad.
Yeah.
So that vibe, yung nakikita ko sa content. Were you always like that growing up as a kid? Were you like always like to talk to people? Were you curious about them?
Yeah. I've always been like that, I guess. I remember when I was young, mga elementary, early high school, ako yung batang tas ng kamay. Ma'am,
Okay.
bakit ganito? Umiikot yung Earth sa orbit. Yun, parang,
So,
paano
very
pag
inquisitive
umusog yung,
ka.
mga ganun.
Okay.
Paano pag umusog yung orbit? Or, paano pag lumapit tayo sa sun? Yung mga, ganon. Yung mga ganong tanong. Tapos, parang hindi. Parang, i-explain mo sa akin yung, kunyari, any questions, class? Ako yung magtataas ng kamay. Kasi I really do have a question. Like,
And
let's not move on from this, you know?
Yeah, and it feels like you do care about the subject matter
Yes.
then that you're talking about, which is great. And can I also add, like, so while I was doing the research for your podcast, sobrang fitting yung setting nung podcast mo because it does feel like you're watching a hug, if that makes sense. So parang relaxing yung vibes. So it's nice.
So nice to know.
Yeah. By the way, Jad, ganito mag-research pala. Jad Gregorio. Yeah. Pero,
Ayun.
same. Like, never ko sinabi na, na medyo, sa podcast na to na medyo matanong ako in class.
Talaga?
Pero thank you for sharing
Gift siya,
that.
diba?
Hindi ko alam kung gift yung sa akin.
I
Kasi
think
sa akin,
it is.
it's an itch
Oo.
na hindi mo na pwede itanong kinabukasan sa teacher mo.
Oh,
Kasi
makalimutan-
wala na yung moment.
Yes,
So
tama.
parang ayokong umuwi na hindi nasasagot yung
Mismo.
That's
tanong
fair,
ko.
yeah.
But it happened a lot in college kasi nag-philosophy ako. Di ba napag-usapan natin din kanina. So parang
Lalo yung subject pa naman.
Oo.
nga about
Lawak niyan. Worldviews.
And I
Yeah.
think that's where it's encouraged din. Kasi ang dami mong topics in philosophy. So it's, di ba you're meant to kind of question the status quo sometimes?
dapat. Actually, dapat i-question mo lahat.
Okay.
And I think that's what hindi naman what I'm trying to baka naiisip ko lang na yun yung lagi nakikita ko kasi yun yung background ko. But when I see a lot of people, bakit ganito, bakit ganyan? In stand-up comedy also. Like, bakit ganito yung mga tao? Bakit ganito yung nangyayari? Siguro ganito, blah, blah, blah. But with our generation, I know you're younger, but I consider us as siguro malapit lang na generation.
malapit lang.
Oh, malapit lang tayo.
Na malapit lang tayo. Damn.
I'm 21, dude.
Oh, wala na tayo sa February. So, parang sa akin, it's good that we're questioning stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi if we're not curious, edi wag na tayo mabuhay.
Oo, exactly.
Speaking of questioning stuff, you also create a lot of content when it comes to religion and bukod sa love advice, faith also. So how do you deal with, syempre may comment section tayo. Diba? So when people, don't have the same beliefs and values as you do, parang how do you deal with that? Kasi I guess in this generation of ours, parang mas open,
Yeah.
mas less taboo
Yeah.
pag-usapan. So may mga nare-receive ka bang siguro, hindi naman ganyan si yung kunyari, different gods. Hindi mo ganyan si God eh. Ganyan. Ang totoong God, ganito, ganyan. Even though you have the same religion.
Yeah.
So, parang sa akin, bakit ganun? We have the same religion. Why aren't we united?
Yeah.
So, I don't know. Just want to get your thoughts regarding that.
Well, for me, when I get comments naman like that, not just with my faith, actually even with other things. Pero, since we're here in this topic, number one, for me, I guess the reason why I'm more open to comments, whether that's agreeing or disagreeing, is integrity. I am still me with my content online. If you meet me offline, I'm still gonna say the same things. I mean, yun yung masaya kapag authentic ka eh. At least with the kind of content I put out. So that's one. So, atakin man nila ako personal o hindi, di okay. Bahala ka. Basta ako, ito talaga ako. Number two, if it's a comment that siguro disagrees or siguro would like to suggest a different angle to what I'm talking about, I love that ito yung related din sa sinabi ko din kanina. Curious kid tayo, di ba? In my nature, curious ako eh. Okay, yeah, that's what you think. It leads me to curiosity. Sige nga. I'ma look it up. Like, I'ma do my research, So, okay, sige. Kasi, someone brought it up eh. Might as well okay, explore.
Yeah.
Yeah, so siguro, yun siya for me. And this is the truth na I get to experience. So parang, no one can invalidate that.
That's true. And at least you also get to see the different worldviews then, diba?
Yeah.
So it's nice to be able to appreciate where they're coming from even though you don't necessarily agree, but you know that exists.
Yeah.
Do people message you
Oo.
regarding your content? Like, what are the things? What's the most, hindi naman most memorable? What do they usually say? Or is it leaning towards the positive? Or?
Towards positive.
Oh, good
That's
for you.
good, yeah.
Good for me.
Yeah, good for
Yeah, very
you.
good.
Pero kasi, towards, talaga siguro, 90% are positive.
That's good because you do radiate so much positivity. It's nice that it's coming back.
Yeah.
To you, diba?
Hindi ka naman nag-rage bait eh. So parang,
So I'm not here to debate.
right.
I'm not here to prove something.
Yeah.
For me, this is my story. if you don't believe it, okay lang.
Okay.
If it resonates with you, that's amazing. And if it speaks to you, helps you, makes you laugh, makes you smile at least.
You're targeting all the emotions.
Yeah.
No?
Even if you forget my face.
As
if
long as
you
the thought is
the
there.
thought is there, or you remember what you felt.
Mm.
For me, that's what's important. So like most of the messages I get naman are not hate, thankfully. Kasi
Well,
medyo
hindi ka na.
softy ako eh.
Ano yung hate nila to?
Ewan ko.
Do you get hate comments?
Sometimes.
Okay.
Oo. Pero parang for me kasi ako talaga I believe that the comments that we leave are mirrors of ourselves.
That's, yeah.
We're projecting.
Okay.
Ako that's what I believe.
Yeah.
So when I see a negative comment, ano may isipin ko, no, walang halong kachismisan to. Oh man, for you to be able to leave a hate comment like this, not just with my content, even with someone else, just for you to have enough time to leave a hate comment, oh man, you have an abundant supply. Sakit nun. Ang sakit nun. Siguro empath din kasi ako. In a way. Kaya yun yung nararamdaman ko. Kaya mahirap akong magalit. Sa
Right.
mga ganon. Kasi nga, they're projecting eh. I mean, miserable na nga yung buhay nila. Dadagdagan ko pa ba yun? O sige na.
And then I feel like it's also in the, like as Filipinos, parang diba ang daming crab mentality that we have. So if you see someone succeeding, you're like, they don't, parang ibababa mo. Pero I feel like kulang talaga yung love comments. Because there's a thing as hate comments. It's we're also used to it. Pero why don't we have a thing where people are spreading the positivity? Diba? It's
Exactly.
always in the DMs or it's always in the like that na parang gago, alam, gusto mo edi gawin mo, diba?
Right. Ang sa akin lang, since we're talking about people commenting on some shit that you post, whenever there's a comment, most of the time, or baka sa amin lang tong comedians din, most of the time they're hate comments. Whenever there's a like, most of the time they really like your content. Whenever there's a share. If mapapansin mo, bibilangin mo yung comments, tas i-compare mo siya sa shares and sa likes, most of the time, konti yung comments eh. The fact that it's being shared, most of the time is because they like your content. No one's gonna share your content if they don't like it.
That's true.
But someone will comment
If they
If they hate it, yeah.
if they hate it. If they don't like it.
Or they were offended.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
I don't think merong nagko-comment at nagla-like at nag-share at the same time. So parang to me, the batting average of you getting a hate comment is really high. But again, this is for comedians then. That's why I'm curious. Kaya ako natanong kanina na, do you guys get hate comments? Because I know some of the content creators that are similar when it comes to the things that they're trying to talk about, not the style but same topics, they also receive hate comments eh. Na parang hindi dapat ganyan ang mentality. Recently may sinabi kami na I had another comedian last week. Sabi niya parang yung inner child daw. Parang wag daw natin gawing excuse yung inner child na
bumili ng
mga expensive bagay.
Oh.
I-admit mo daw na you as the adult really
The outer
want...
adult.
Yeah, hindi inner child, yung outer
Outer
adult.
Diba, ano yun?
Wag mo
Ano
i-blame
naman
yung bata.
shame kung bibili ako ng laruan? Gusto ko yung laruan eh.
And some people were mad.
Yeah.
Parang,
Oh, man.
yeah. So parang,
Do you think that stems from the fact na ayaw nila parang it's inauthentic kasi matanda na sila. So they're like, hindi, tatago ko dito sa inner child.
kasi it's not, hindi siya ideal eh.
Oo.
Never naging ideal for a 40-year-old man to buy alam mo yun, a very expensive limited edition Beyblade.
Labubu.
Labubu.
But why not?
Kaya nga may inner child. Because of people who are saying, why not? Oh, okay, sige, let's invent the term inner child. Safe na. Sige, bilhin ko na, sir, ah. So, parang,
Marketing yata yan eh.
anyway, yun lang naman. How's your inner child, though?
My inner child
Yeah.
is very happy. Charot.
Very happy.
Sa context naman.
Yeah.
Di ko alam kung umabot kayo dito sa part ng research.
We'll see, we'll see.
Sige, we'll see.
Try me.
But I think I said this in one of my episodes in the pod. I was a bullied child.
Okay.
Early high school and mga grade 5, grade 4 to grade 6. So, I think that's also how I learned how to be independent. Kasi outcast na parang okay, natin siya sama. And then, that's how I started being like performative in a way na parang I need to please them because
Right.
they would get me as a group mate if I do well. And I
Yeah.
think that's the reason why I'm,
Type A.
type
Why you
A.
got type in
Yeah,
the-
and like I'm jack of all trades and master of none because I do those things. So parang for me, when I was a child, what I wanted was not more on material things because I think we're not well off. But provided naman yung mga kailangan ko. Pero hindi ako doon nakafocus as a child. Mas nag-focus ako doon sa belongingness. Alam mo yun?
Okay.
So ngayon, yung inner child ko, when I was growing up, ang galing din. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako naging ganito. Pero buti hindi naman siya naging rebel. Alam mo yun, parang,
Oo,
okay,
no?
bubulihin ko rin kayo pag ako umangat.
Oo.
Ikaw din, di ba? Ano kita?
Naalala mo,
OP ka.
nung grade 5,
Grade 5.
diba? Humingi lang ako ng stick, oh.
Hindi mo binigay.
Binigay.
Pero if I may,
Oh, yeah, sure.
like, what were they bullying you for?
Yeah, because I can't imagine a reason for it now.
You know what? I
Seeing
also
it now,
don't know.
yeah. Mm.
I also don't know. I didn't know. I had to move on not knowing why. Maybe because I was the new kid. Yeah. And I've always been so like passionate with the things that I do. Not because I wanted to compete. Not
Okay.
because I wanted to be at the top. Pero kasi syempre, yung sistema, i-reward yung mga taong ganun.
That's true.
Right.
So parang, okay, sige, whatever. And I kind of feel like, wait, is that the reason why people would hate on me? Like, man, like, let me just do my thing, I'm not doing this to, sige, kung gusto mo mag-first, ikaw na, sa'yo na yung medal. Kung kailangan niya, gusto ko lang magaling sa ginagawa ako eh. So parang ako, when I grew up, yun yung naging cause sa akin nung wound ng inner child ko. Na when I became an adult, gusto ko belong
Okay.
yung tao. Gusto ko alam niyang seen siya. Kasi alam ko yung feeling ng
Not
That's
being
why.
seen.
intentional.
Very warm.
Maybe
yung
that's the reason.
pagsasalita mo.
Yeah.
Like, in front of the camera. Na parang it's always, hey, how are you? Yun yung vibe. Whenever you scroll through your feed and you see Gian, parang, oy, ganito ka ba? Blah, 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 blah. Okay lang yan.
Parang nakita kayo ng kaibigan somewhere. And then
very-
sobrang, first time watching your content, parang kilala ko na to after a while, diba? It's like, it's very nice bumping ito.
May gusto ka ba sabihin sa mga nambully sa'yo dati?
Yeah.
They're forgiven. I won't be this if I didn't get to experience that. I mean, hindi ko sinasabing sana mabully lahat. Hindi na, syempre, masama
Right.
yun. Pero ako, I had to work my way around the situation. It is what it is. Well, hindi ko naman mababalik yun. Pero, I'm just glad that kung hindi man naging sila yung support system ko, I found it in different groups. I found it in my family. I found it in the maintenance people of the school. I
Right.
became friends with the guard. I became friends with the people who runs the canteen. So parang ako, like, it's available. Like, support system is available. So, syempre, resiliency lang. How I wish everyone's as resilient when it comes to situations like this. Siguro yun, for me, yun yung nakatulong talaga. Makahanap ng ibang grupo na lang.
Hanap talaga ng... Tama ba yun? Naghahanap ka ng friends. Is it... I think mas validation yung hinahanap mo eh.
Validation.
No? Kesa friends. Kasi it's easy to find friends eh. But it's hard to get validated. I think so. I really think so. Kasi even with your friends now, they won't say it, but kasi naging friends kayo sa school, bata pa kayo, di ba? School, high school, even college, bata pa kayo eh. And I know that when it comes to this online thing na nagpo-post ka ng content, I think 50-60% of them would cringe at what you're doing. That's just me. They won't admit it because they love you, but they're not all of them would like what they're seeing from you.
Oh.
Kasi that's just how I think. If you post something online.
Yeah.
The thing is, maybe it's not for that particular
Exactly.
group of friends.
Nandun din ako.
Oo.
Na
Hindi sila
parang-
yung target market, target
Oo.
audience.
Sila. They're your friends. They love you, but they're not your audience.
Yeah.
That's why I hate it when a friend, sorry, baka ako lang to. I hate it when a friend says, oh, kailan next show mo nyo? Supportahan natin yan. I fucking hate that word. Yung supportahan natin yan.
Talaga?
As if charity ka.
Kasi it feels like they're handing out. Oo.
Yeah, it feels like, hindi, kailangan mo to eh. Kaya kami pupunta. No! Pumunta kayo kasi
Gusto
niyo yung
nyo.
content.
Oo.
Gusto niyo yung binibigay ng friend nyo. So that's why I always say this, parang most of the time, your friends are not there to make you feel that they like what you're doing. They're just there for moral support.
Yeah.
And that's normal.
And that's perfectly fine then.
Oo.
Like, you don't need them to be there for... Because like, how many shows can they really come to? Diba?
Yeah,
Parang after a while,
right.
like, gago, sinabi mo na yun eh.
No.
Hindi ka naman pupunta eh.
Pakunti ng pakunti yung tumatao kasi gets na. But you also perform.
Yes.
You sing.
Yes.
What are the things that you usually like to? Kunyari, when you perform, the kind of songs that you do ay worship, diba? Was there a time na gusto mo maging, paano ba tawag? Professional?
Like musician.
Yeah, musician.
Yes.
Okay.
I wanted to be a lot of things growing up. One of them is to become a pop star. Obviously, did not happen.
But that does, pero pwede pa.
Oh!
Okay,
There's
Pwede
nothing
ba? Let's
stopping
see,
you.
let's
I mean,
see.
if all of those places said no and then you started your own podcast, you can
Yeah.
start being a pop star now.
Come on.
No, seriously. Yeah, I feel like kaya, basta as long as the ambition is there,
There.
kaya mo yan.
Ang ano nga, kasi I wanted to be a lot of things, but I still sing right now. Mostly in church, that's one. Pero kasi hindi yun job eh. Hindi ko siya job.
Yeah.
Like it's
Service.
Yes, it's a service.
And you enjoy it also.
Vocation,
Yeah.
tawag doon?
Yep.
Yeah, vocation, diba? So, I do perform now sa private events, weddings. I love weddings. I saw that you host weddings, diba? I did my
do.
research.
Yeah.
Yeah. Welcome.
Book
So-
nyo ako Kung ikakasal
Book
kayo.
nyo. Book nyo to si Lilan. So, I do weddings. Before I started hosting for weddings, I started as a wedding singer.
I didn't know
So,
this.
sets, cocktail set, and then during the dinner. Okay, may after party po ba tayo? Di ba? So, yun yung yun yung parang naging outlet ko when it comes to like singing. Kasi I don't have originals and I can perform like in gigs. And I don't see myself naman na mag-career being a cover artist like professionally.
Right.
I mean, kanya-kanya eh, priority. And for me, if ever I want to do gigs, I want to sing my originals.
Okay.
And the originals I have right now are worship songs, which obviously is another niche.
You know what? I never thought that you can do original worship
songs.
songs.
Really?
Kasi
Yeah.
akala ko merong set of songs
Oh,
na
yeah.
ginagamit sa worship. And yun lang. Unless they're not made by
Like
the
some-
church. Hindi mo pa siya pwede gawing, uy, original ko yan. Meron palang originals.
Meron,
Okay. So you have a couple?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a couple ones na nasa Spotify.
Okay.
And ayun yung parang naging outlet ko nung singing. And then I sing on TikTok. I mean, minsan
Yeah.
when I feel like it, parang okay, paalala ko lang sa inyo may mga nakakatawa, may mga talking heads ako dito. Pero singer nga pala ako, no? May konting ganun lang. And also, reminder din to myself na this is my first love. Singing kasi is my first love.
Okay.
I started singing, sabi ng parents ko, I started singing when I was 2. So I had my first training when I was 4. So that's something not a lot of people know.
Yeah.
Because I don't do it publicly anymore. I mean, singing.
But is it still a dream?
Popstar, hindi na.
Okay.
Okay na yun. Ano na yun? Sa inner child. sa inner child na yun.
Sa'yo na yun.
Oo, sa kanya na
sa'yo
yun.
na.
Pero, to sing pa rin, I find joy in it. Pero, gusto kong gawin na siya as passion project.
Okay.
And I feel like where you are now creatively, because of how varied your content is, it's very easy to start something like that then. Because, kaya-kaya mong i-steer a certain direction because ang lawak nga nung ginagawa mo and they all work. So I feel
Yun
like
nga
it's,
eh.
oo.
They all work. Like, how many buckets do you have?
I lost count.
Parang you do a lot and people seem to like everything that you post now. So, okay. You're one of the people that are multifaceted that I see online. Meron pang iba like sila Mix, Simla Mabuhay Mix Phoenix, ganun din. And to me parang it's either you have a niche or you have a lot of things. It's never just, oh, this person does two things. Hindi siya ganun. It's either you have one or you have a lot. So parang, if papapiliin ka, ano yung favorite mo?
Na
Gawin?
Oh
At
my.
i-share.
Uy, hirap nun. For me,
Yeah.
hirap sagutin nun.
O sige, top 3.
Top 3 pwede. So, top 1 would be my personal experiences talaga. Yung parang encouragement, whatever. Because like those are the things I need personally.
Yeah.
Well, at least some of my followers know naman na the things that I say there, ano yun eh, personal ko yan eh. So that's one. That comes naturally. Number 2 is my mga biglang punchlines. Because my way of coping is comedy.
Yeah.
So,
get it.
isa sa top 5 strengths ko, Clifton, if you're familiar with that, Strengths Finder, ay positivity. So, yung positivity pala, apparently, so parang to describe that, when something happens, whatever that is, challenge or whatever, you try to find the positive side of it. Ganon, basically. So, for me, paano siya nag-manifest is through humor. Like, sa akin, mas masakit, mas gagawa ko ng joke. Alam mo yun, minsan, parang nalilito na yung mga tao, kunyari mga friends ko,
Okay
pag
ka lang ba?
heartbroken ako, tapos biglang mamaya magbibiro, parang ano ba, tatawa ba kami, iiyak, ma-offend ka ba pag tumawa kami? You know?
Right.
So parang, coping mechanism, you know? So I think that's number 2. Number 3 would be my creative anything. Because I just like give into any creative itch that I have. As a creative in my practice, at least sa experience ko, no, I never regret any creative itch na I gave in. Parang ako, I mean, I wasn't the master of scanography. I wasn't the master of photography. I wasn't the master of editing or color grading or script writing, whatever. But I'm glad I tried that. So parang ako, that's number 3. So to summarize that, so like life stories, humor,
Yeah, that's
and
you.
creativity.
And that's very prevalent in how you are. Like, it's very, like, even just talking to you, parang, nagigets ko na parang, you enjoy all of these little things. And do you find it na, I don't know if this happens to you because you mentioned the comedy thing nga kanina, na parang the more you can't laugh at the situation, mas naging nakakatawa yung situation. Does that ever happen to you?
Yeah. Parang, ano ba, ang hirap eh. Mas miserable kasi mas nakakatawa eh. Ewan ko
True.
Ewan ko if that applies to everybody.
Mas miserable, mas unfortunate,
Mas unfortunate, mas funny eh, no? Mas relatable yung sakit. Mas nagigets mo, kaya ka natatawa eh.
Kasi if you, in all of the jokes na pwede mong isulat, the punchlines that a lot of people would relate to are the punchlines that have something to do with misfortune. Because everyone
Deals with
experiences misfortunes. So parang sa akin, if you're gonna land on a positive note, hindi siya ganun nakakatawa eh. Not everyone
Wants the
is
happy
positive about life.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Kumaga negativity equals laughter sa akin.
Parang, uy, bagong content yun ah.
It's like every year.
Bagong material yun ah.
Imposibleng ako lang nasaktan dito. Meron pa yan.
Kasi the way that I see it is you're trying to bring a human emotion to the tragedy, I feel. Because everyone experiences laughter. Everyone tries to be positive in their own sort of
Tries
way.
to be,
Tries
yeah.
to be.
Tries to be.
Pero when a tragedy happens, parang you feel like it almost takes you out of the human experience to some extent. So you're trying to bring it back to a level na kaya mong
Right.
intindihin,
Oh,
which is
oh.
laughter.
Ooh.
Deep guy. Deep! Yan ang Aquaman. ng
Deeper than
walang
the
edit,
ocean,
edit.
pare.
Grabe, ang
Jed,
lalim.
makinig ka. Sana kung di ako umalis, na-meet mo si Gian. De, joke lang.
Do you feel lost, doubting yourself, and tired? You question your worth and existence? Well, I'm here for you. Hey, this is Gailey Chavez, and I'm the host of Free Yourself Podcast. My podcast talks about self-love, self-discovery, and growth. This is for everyone who wants to live their fullest life and become the person that they could be. Let me help out and remind you that this is your life, your path, that you are not broken and you are worth it. Catch me every Friday at 8 p.m. See ya!
I have more things to ask. You do a lot of advice sa relationships, but you mentioned kanina na National Bookstore.
Yes, NBSB.
NBSBC.
yes, sir.
Yan. So, like, is it, and forgive me for
Go lang.
asking if
Go
ever,
lang.
is it by choice?
It's by choice
It's by
and by
choice.
chance.
And by chance.
And
Can you elaborate on that, situation?
by choice, kasi I think may early awakening ako ng priorities ko in life. When I was in high school, I fell in love, of course. Like, normal naman, diba? But like, after that experience, sabi ko, okay, that was, okay, nice. Pero, I want to focus on a lot more things, like other things in life. I want to pursue this as a multi-passionate person. I would like to use that term. I want to explore muna. Tapos parang ako, if a partner would not, like, paano ba? Kung di kami aligned, siguro wag na lang. Tapos parang hindi kasi ako, well, may mga taong open sa fling and talking, whatever. Ako kasi, don't take it lightly eh. Ako at least. My preference is when I date, this is something that I'm open to, like, I'm open to this being led to marriage. So,
Right.
what I call that is dating to marry. But, so, yun nga, going back to by choice. So, as a young adult, college, meron naman mga nagtatry. Pero parang ako, hindi eh.
Doesn't feel right.
I feel right eh. Not yet now. Parang ako, sige, it's nice to get that feeling. Siyempre, you're seen, di ba? Parang, wow, may attention. Pero, I also don't wanna keep someone around just because I enjoy the attention. Sayang naman yung oras nila, sayang, di ba? Wawa naman, they could channel their energy somewhere else. Wag na ako kasi
Wala talaga.
wala pa ako
Wala.
ngayon eh. Oo.
So, but do you believe in the magic of situationships yung tawag kasi sa generation na to?
MU ba to?
Pero MU to before.
Parang MU.
MU.
Oh, parang nireframe nila na, may situation.
Situation.
Diba? So
MU
parang,
din yun eh.
yeah, it's the same
It's the
thing.
same.
MU yun eh.
So, like, are you pro situationships? Meaning, it's a good to have?
It's a good to have. I could say. I mean, if there's someone na you're willing to get to know and like,
Right.
oy wait, parang gusto kita na ano. Medyo ano siya eh, dance, you know?
Yeah, and
Dance.
I feel like it's also like the trailer for dating. If
Yes.
if dating is a movie, parang yung pagka-MU or situationship is the trailer.
Yeah, but
diba?
that's the thing. A lot of people enjoy situationships. Narinig ko lang to Like, they like situationships. They don't like relationships.
Really? That's interesting.
Okay,
Pero
dito
okay,
sa
gets.
face na to Walang commitments, chill lang.
Mm-hmm.
And then when shit becomes more serious,
Things
they
get
shy
serious,
away. Parang, this is not what
Bye.
I've signed up for. So parang, what's the deal? What's the deal with that?
Situationship.
Yeah.
I mean, kung may mga taong ganun, situationships lang gusto nila. Pero if they meet me, O pag-usapan natin, ano ba gusto mo? Situationship. Kasi ako, pwede open ako sa serious. Hindi, okay, bye. I mean, ouch. Kasi gusto sana kita, pero
Hindi nag-align.
hindi tayo aligned eh.
Pero it's
Right.
really
Ganun
nice
siya.
that you have that right off the bat. Because some people will wait until it gets hard
man.
and then drop the bomb. Diba?
Man, no.
At
Hirap
dahil
yun.
dyan, dito na tayo sa, kala nyo, who's on your list na yung kanina, hindi pa. Ito ang who's on your list.
Yun.
Walang stinger si Pau.
Who's
May-
on your list?
Isa pa. Bigyan natin, first time niya. Okay.
Okay,
Who's
sorry,
on
guys.
your list?
Who's on your list?
This is like Love Radio. Yes, FM. Who's
on your list?
Okay.
Yung
Sige.
mga
Work in progress.
work in
Work in
progress.
progress.
We'll get there. We'll get there.
So who's on your list? We just like to ask our guests top 3 anything. Pero since si Gian ang guest natin ngayon, what are the mabilis lang to.
Okay.
Like what are the top 3 love advice na paborito mong binigay?
Uy.
Oo. Hirap pala, no? Sorry.
Yun. Okay lang. Sige.
Akin.
Susubukan kong
Mm.
umalala. Number 1. Okay, ito, top of mind. Ano talaga importante yung self-alignment. That you know your own identity. You know your own value. Na parang, hindi siya 50-50, para 100 tayo. Hindi. 100-100. With partner.
100.
Not 100. I mean, metaphorically lang.
Right.
Pero hindi yung parang maghanap ka ng tao to fill the other 50.
That makes
You know?
yeah.
Kasi partnership to. I mean, sometimes you're gonna be 50% and I'm gonna have to fill in every now and then. Pero hindi yung maghanap ako ng relasyon dahil kailangan ko ng 50%.
50%.
Alam mo yun?
So you can't go in with the kind of mindset na kailangan ko ma-fill yung void. Hindi dapat gano'n.
Hindi. Ako personally.
Okay.
Ayoko nung ganon. Kasi ayoko ding higupin ako
Mm.
ng magiging partner ko.
That's fair.
Right.
You know? So, mahirap yun. I mean, there's gonna be compromise every now and then. Again, that's what partnerships are about. But if that's the main thing, because I need someone to complete me, man, hirap yun. Kasi I think what we're going through in singlehood is only amplified when we have someone else.
That's
In our
very
life.
fair, yeah.
Okay.
If you're lonely, single, guess what? Sometimes you're still gonna feel lonely even with a person. Parang ako, ganun lang yun. And madodoble lang. Kasi ngayon, yung sakit, doble na kasi, wait lang, may kasama naman ako, but lonely pa rin ako?
So what I'm getting is do not go into a relationship knowing that you're longing for paano ba? Something to complete you.
Oo.
Na parang hindi
Don't get into a relationship coming from lack.
Yes.
coming from lack.
Like if you only like yourself 30% and then
Yes.
someone will like you 40%, you're like, uy, gago, ang dami nun.
Oo.
That's less than half, gago. 40%! Bring up your standard, gago.
Iangat mo pa
Grabe
yung
yung
bar.
illusion Oh, ang dami nun
Tama. That's a
Yeah,
good
yeah,
illustration.
Yeah.
And it would look good for you kasi, nga, 30% ko lang gusto yung sarili ko. Ito 40, di ba?
Parang,
Uy,
yeah, that's more than me.
uy, nilalike niyo yung story ko. Grabe namang baba naman ng ano na yun, ng bar na yun.
Wait lang, side note lang. When you like other people's stories ba, like, okay, debate online.
Okay,
Is it
okay.
really flirting or is it just saying na, dude, I'm happy for you. Di ba?
Ako like ko lang kasi, uy, ang galing nun
Yeah.
Uy, astig nun. Diba?
Yeah.
The way that I see it also, you like their post, that doesn't mean naman na
Yun
gusto
nga,
mo eh.
Hindi ko gusto tito ko. Nilike
Oo.
ko lang talaga yung story niya. You know what I mean? Na parang, bakit mo binibigyan ng mali siya lahat?
Unless
Anyway.
siguro may context na nagre-replay ka sa story every now and then. Tas medyo may
You
context.
know,
Yan, diba?
Hindi,
That's
pero,
That's different.
Pero kung like lang, bro.
yeah.
Dude,
Come
like,
on.
kumbaga, it's also letting your friends know na, I see you.
Yeah, I support what you're
Good
doing,
job.
diba?
Yeah. Anyway, sorry to cut you off.
Okay lang.
So, top 1 yun.
Top 1 yun.
Mm.
Top 2 would be, my gosh. Okay. Like, siguro feel your feelings. Like, alam mo yun, yung know how to be emotionally intelligent. I think that's very important. And like not relying on someone else. Minsan kailangan natin for validation. But at least pag ikaw kasi sa sarili mo, you validate your own feelings, hindi ka madaling mag-gaslight, hindi ka madaling manipulate.
Right.
Alam mo yun? So parang for me, yung ganong klase ng alignment with yourself, it's still aligned with the first one that I said. Pero number 2 naman is focused on emotion.
I feel like, and to add lang to what he said, I'm having trouble with good judgment because I catch myself parang realizing na, shit, mali pala ako, tama pala siya. Yung mga ganong realizations na you have this set of values, diba? And whenever someone comes around, you talk and parang yung sinasabi niya tama. But the fact na tama yung sinasabi niya, it means na mali yung values mo before. And ang bilis ko mag-give in. Tama ka nga, no? Diba? So parang it's ever-changing yung values, kung anong meron ka. So parang tama ba yun? Is it right to have a core set of values na hindi, ito lang dapat? Okay lang na tibagin mo from time to time. Like, is that okay? Kasi if ganun yung case na nagbabago lagi, anong tama?
And who are you? Yung integrity mo sa person nawawala after a while, di ba?
Yeah. So, yun lang. Just, throwing it out there. Kinabala mag-isip.
Alam na kayo, guys.
Anyway, that's 2.
That's 2. Number 3. This is usually for the ladies. Kasi minsan, attraction, akala namin it means something.
Ooh.
For me, attraction is cheap.
Mm.
I mean, everybody could say, you're an amazing person. I like you. Okay, what do I do with that information? I mean, thank you. But what I tell my friends at least, or myself na lang, this guy is ordinary, even if he's attracted to you, until he says he's committed. That's what sets him apart.
Okay.
That's what sets someone apart. So, ako, attraction, okay, sige, receive lang. Thank you. It's like when someone gives you flowers. Oh, thank you. That's so thoughtful. Pero, okay, that's it. Parang don't get attached just because someone's attracted to you.
That's true, because if you get attached to everything that's coming in, parang you're gonna spread yourself so everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
So for me, ako personally, attraction is ordinary. It's easy to give.
It's easy to give.
It's
like,
easy.
It's nothing.
It's nothing.
It's like saying na, oy, may chair.
Yeah.
Oh, una lang ako.
Right.
Yeah, because when you're tired, you'll sit on any chair. Di ba?
Yeah.
Or
There's also
parang-
a chair over there.
Yeah.
Pag may nakita kang ganda ng sky, I mean, wow. It's nice.
Ganda rin kahapon.
Diba?
Diba?
It's easy to give.
Easy to give. Okay.
Admiration.
So commitment is parang...
What would set someone apart from.
I agree.
So if you're talking about relationships,
Yeah.
syempre yun yung context. Yeah.
That's so nice. Top 3. Thank you. And then, nandito na tayo. I mentioned, di ko alam kung kanina or last night, but meron kami tinatawag dito na unfiltered takes.
Unfiltered take. See, we're trying out new things every now and then. We have to,
Okay. Okay. Please don't give up on him.
I'll make it work, guys.
Yeah, he'll make it work. Hindi lahat ng may good inputs magaling mag-stinger. Okay. So, yeah. Anyway, unfiltered takes, basically any take that, you wanna get off your chest. Can be about anything. So, ano ang unfiltered? This is Gian's unfiltered take.
My unfiltered take is, alam mo, dapat meron tayong way to leave a review sa isang taong nakadate natin eh. Parang Google lang, alam mo yun? Bakit yung dating apps walang ganon?
Right.
After talking to someone, sana mayroong option na mag-leave kung ilang stars.
Magaling siya magsaing. Guys.
Or ito, laging tinatanong lang, sunrise or sunset? Anong paborito mong number sa electric pan? Boring. 2 stars. 2 stars.
Ang ganda nun.
Yeah.
Di ba?
And you should have, dapat hindi lang review eh. May rating din.
Rating
Yeah.
din. Kung
5
ilang,
stars,
oh.
4.5, di ba? May na grabe, no? May na aircon. Di ko alam.
Pero that'll bring up a new, shoot, anong tawag doon? It'll bring up a new contemporary or something with people
Yeah.
na after the date, uy, parate naman 5
Oh, parate
stars.
naman.
Pareho naman 5 stars.
naman five
Hinatid
stars.
kita.
Hinatid kita. Oo.
Tsaka, uy,
Quiet ride naman eh.
Uy,
Tahimik
nagsorry ako
naman eh.
Nagsorry ako sa'yo.
Oh.
I'm doing some self-contemplation kung paano kita nasaktan. Promise yun, mag-improve ako. Please, libo 5 star. Di ba? Parang,
Shit. But, okay, ang ganda, but it's gonna, ito yung gusto ko mangyari. Ma-expose lahat ng nagpapanggap lang.
That's a good, yeah, oo.
Kasi, if you're gonna rate me, if I know that by the time this date ends, I'll have a rating. I'm gonna work my
Yeah.
ass
To make
off
that rating
Yes.
good.
to have a 5-star rating.
Oo.
So, that means na magiging sobrang performative ko na ayoko sa musical eh. Pero, sige, yeah, I like, let's watch Wicked. Yeah.
No, but then, okay, how different is regular dating from that already? I feel like, ngayon, especially with online dating, best foot forward talaga eh. All the time.
Hindi.
It's
Hindi.
different when you know that you're being evaluated.
yes. That's true.
Yeah.
Like, may accountability bigla.
Yes.
That's true. Kasi
Diba?
public na.
Kasi
Kasi-
pag wala naman, kunyari, pwede ko lang itong paasahin. Tapos,
Sabagay, oo.
bahala ka dyan sa buhay mo.
Ghost na lang.
Ghost na lang. Hindi na kita kakausapin.
Yeah, it's like with hotels when you travel, sorry, ang halabo ng analogy. But with hotels when you travel abroad, walang commitment yung iba. Pwede ka lang mag-book. And then last minute, hindi na ako dyan pupunta, dito na. So ganun lang yung dating ngayon eh, na parang, okay, whatever happens, na-book na yung date, naaya ko na siya. And no expectations. But if you know that you're gonna be evaluated, no, I need to make this count. So that if things don't work out, yung next date, makikita niya maganda yung performance ko.
Yes.
So it's gonna,
Diba?
merong mga mas gaganda yung date, mas magiging respectful yung mga tao.
Yes.
Kasi may inaalagaan sila.
I mean, won't that also be a net positive then? Because at least the alternative is pangit yung date. But if there's a rating, at least everyone's gonna be standardized na I have to be the best person that I could be on this date. So maybe that just becomes the new normal.
Yeah. Yeah. But it's good kasi
It's good.
mababawasan lahat ng manyak.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
Mababawasan lahat ng, alam mo yun, rude as motherfuckers.
Mga, siguro pati cheaters.
Oo.
Yeah.
Kasi kakabahan sila.
May girlfriend
Review.
pala po.
Nag-overlap kami. Tsaka walang sauce. Walang chopstick. Labo. Yeah, but that's a really good thing. Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you. Meron ka ba? Meron ka ba take? Sure? This is your first
My first take.
co-hosting episode.
Shoot. On the spot.
You wanna save it for next time?
Yeah, I'll save it for next time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Deep. Mr. Pangit kasi merong may deep sa The Boys eh. Do you guys watch The Boys? Anyway, basto siyang tao.
Oo.
So wag natin i-associate kay Pao.
Yeah.
Yeah, leave a rating. By
Leave
the
a
way,
rating?
rate nyo tong podcast na to if nakikinig kayo. Kasi maraming hindi proportionate yung nakikinig ng podcast sa rating namin. Walang nagre-rate eh. So parang, please rate it. Kung magti-3 kayo, wag na.
Pero kung 5,
4
yeah.
pataas, please rate. But, okay. I've been holding back sa question na to. But, let me know if it's too much. What was the worst heartbreak? You can just say
Hindi,
na...
pwede. Sige.
Pwede mo na sabihin, kahit high school, ganyan, college, nitong ganyan.
Oh my gosh.
And, briefly, you can say why. You can also choose not to say it.
Okay.
Oo.
Hindi, sabihin natin. Sabihin ko pa pangalan
sige,
eh.
oy!
Oy!
Hello!
Okay.
Kung nakikinig ka ngayon, ang initials ay...
I-blip nyo na lang si... bleep yun, bleep yun.
Nah, but you know,
But,
if meron kang heartbreak, kasi for a person like you who not just knows a lot but knows how to give advice to people who are dealing with the same thing, it's different. It's on another level of type of advice. So what was the worst heartbreak and bakit siya worst?
so far, top of mind for me is yung almost. Ang hirap yung almost na, shucks, alam mo ito na yun.
Okay.
Diba? Okay lahat, blah, 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 check, aligned, whatever. And then biglang, what? What was that? And you were like, just like, lost. What happened? I think kaya siya worst is because almost siya, tapos wala pa talagang bad reason that you guys separated ways.
That's
Kasi
the
hindi siya
worst.
ghost
Yeah.
Walang ghosting, walang anything, walang masamang reason. Kasi again, you're aligned, you're okay naman, the
Yeah.
person is okay, you are okay. Hindi lang talaga ng work. Masakit yun kasi ang hirap mag-move forward. Kasi kunyari nag-away kayo, big fight. Okay, usap tayo. I just feel like you're not respecting me anymore, I'm not respecting you. Let's move forward. Madaling kasi may rason ka eh. Every
Yeah.
time na medyo babalik ka ng konti, maalala mo, you also be reminded of the reason why you broke up. Parang ganon. Pero pag yung almost lang, okay naman, halos lahat, hirap eh. Parang how do I move forward? Do I still hope? Ano ba to?
Right.
Diba?
Parang sobrang cliffhanger.
Cliffhanger, yeah.
Because you saw the potentially amazing thing that could have happened. Tas parang
Yeah.
nawala siya sa'yo.
Wait lang, when was this? Like, anong phase ng buhay mo yan?
Young adult.
Young adult
Young
na?
adult.
Oh, okay.
When I finally am open to
Everything.
like getting to know
Yeah.
someone.
Yeah.
Kasi diba before, when I was like a new grad, sabi ko, hindi wag muna. So there was a time na, okay, sige, it's finally time.
Iba rin yung
Give it a
ready ka
shot.
na no?
Oh.
Ibang effect din yung ready ka na, tas okay lahat, tas biglang, hindi
Wala,
bakit?
bakit?
Okay na. Okay,
Hindi rin
okay.
naman siya major, like, let's say, finances.
Right.
Okay naman kayo both. Ang hirap talaga. Kasi magigets ko yung, kunyari, financial, concerns. Yun, very valid yun eh. Ano
Or
ba ba?
career.
Career.
Yeah.
Valid din yun. Ano pa ba? Preferences, hindi din eh. Hindi rin yun yung issue eh. So, bakit?
May I know the reason? Why?
Oh man. Ang hirap kasi,
Madami.
hindi. Ano bang reason? Alam mo, labo. Di ko alam.
Seryoso? Okay.
I mean, may sinabi. Pero for me, ito yung sa akin. Kaya ako, parang I just let the person go. Just the fact that you had a reason in mind.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. that's
Whatever
fair.
reason that is.
So, it's not something na may nangyari kasi.
Yeah.
Parang mas, may rason siya.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kaya
Damn!
siguro, habang nagsasalita siya, yung parang muffled na lang yung boses. Tapos parang ako, wait,
Parang-
he had a reason.
Right.
And we weren't even going through a major challenge in life. And like, siguro yung masakit din doon is because you guys are so much aligned, at least in the way that you think. And you see the potential of this moving forward na baka, okay, maybe this is the person I'd be willing to go through major challenges with. Baka kaya namin to kasi aligned nga kami. And then, you didn't even get the chance.
Because the first domino palang wala
Wala
na.
na.
Right.
So parang ako, yun yung masakit.
Sobrang cliffhanger.
Oo.
Kasi matatanggap ko if may nangyari. Or merong hindi aligned. Values, principles, whatever.
Yeah.
Gets yun, sobrang gets yun. Career. Pero if something na reason, sorry, I don't even know the whole story, but yeah, it explains a lot. Yung, may ganito kasi, kaya ganito. Gets na imagine ko na muffle na lang. Gian, kasi blah, blah, blah.
Ganun na lang.
When I
And
met you. Parang ganun na yun. So, yeah, okay. Sorry for asking.
Okay
it.
lang. Okay lang.
But,
I love that you asked that.
talaga,
And
thank
it
you.
helps. It helps, at least for me to just like be able to process.
I have another one. If it's okay.
But yes, of course.
Are Are you planning on getting married in the future?
Yes.
I know. Okay, good.
Yeah.
Are you looking for a host?
Galing yan ah.
Paki-send yung venue at date.
Ang galing yan.
Meron lang ako out of town fee pero okay lang.
sorry na derail yung sobrang seryoso na question.
Sorry. Ito yung rate ko pag may comedy. Hindi, joke lang. Yeah. You're may plans yung mag-marry. So the reason why I ask is because for some people, whenever I ask them, uy, tingin mo, papakasal ka? Lagi na sinasabi, hindi ko masabi kasi I don't have anyone now. So it always depends on the other person whether or not you're gonna get married. So with you, no. Parang meron kang nakaset sa utak mo na I will get married.
Yeah.
Yun yung plan. Okay. I think that's good for you because you looking into the future. You already have this, It's hard when you don't have a plan. It's hard.
yeah.
Whatever happens.
Hirap yun.
Kasi
I mean,
you'll
yung
fall
ibang
for
gusto nila-
anything, diba?
Yes. Unless you both like that kind of dynamic.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong. Don't
Bahala
get
kayo dyan,
people's young.
di ba? Pero, ang hirap pag hindi kayo same
Alay,
page eh.
oo.
Yeah.
Tsaka ang hirap nun, parang I think at least isa sa inyong dalawa talaga will fall into the trap of resentment.
Yeah.
Right.
Alam mo yun, na, wait lang, mahal kita kaya nagsettle ako na whatever happens, kahit gusto ko ikasal eh. Ba't di ka pa rin nagbabago?
Right.
Gusto mo pa rin whatever happens. And ayaw mo pa rin ng marriage? O isa, ganun din. Ba't gusto mo pa ng marriage? Ayoko nga. Hirap nun.
Yeah.
Resentment lang yun.
Right.
Huwag na.
And isn't it so much better na you deal with that before any of the concrete stuff happens? So it's good na rin, like, based on your story din kanina, parang align nga kayo sa lahat, pero it didn't happen. But, buti na lang ngayon na nangyari.
Buti ngayon.
Imbes na in 5 years or
Yeah.
however.
5 years in, no?
Oo.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
In a way then, well, it's a thankless situation. Pero sige, thank you na rin siguro na maaga pa lang.
Alam mo
You
na.
had the courage to let it go. Mahirap din yun.
Right.
Yeah, kasi for someone to decide na even though this is something I want and we're okay, pero I don't see this going like, I don't know,
Meron na ba sa inyong magkakapatid na may family na?
wala pa.
Wala pa.
Oh.
Okay.
Are any in serious relationships now?
Wala.
Wala rin.
Wala
Wait,
din.
wala rin?
Wala rin. Not anymore. I think, ewan ko kung factor yun. Pero kasi sa amin sa family, hindi naman siya taboo. We'll bring it up. But like, hindi siya yung parang, may boyfriend ka na ba?
Hindi naman ganun.
Okay.
Okay.
Pero do you
Wala ka pa rin
experience
asawa.
that like within other, not necessarily sa direct family, but then, as we grow older, people are like, kailan na yung kasal? Kailan na yun? Do you ever
Yeah,
experience
for
that?
sure.
Shit.
Sa friends.
May
Pero
nakita
parang,
ako. Sorry, Gian.
go
Kasi
lang.
meron kaming last segment to wrap things up. And it's called the walang edit question. Nag-point
Walang
lang siya.
edit questions. I'm so sorry, guys.
This is a really...
I get better, promise.
Yeah. He has good inputs. Hello?
Deep then,
Hey,
yung
may
thoughts,
variety
diba?
naman eh. Diba? The
Oh.
first one was radio. The second one was, I don't know what the second one.
Feeling ko whenever I introduce a segment, kunyari kanina, Unfiltered Takes, yung mga nakikinig na iba na diehard, feeling ko sasabi nila, Unfiltered Takes. Gumagano sila mag-isa. Kasi we just had a show about Unfiltered Takes. And ganun yung nangyayari. Whenever I say, this is, kunyari, Gian's Unfiltered Take, nasigaw lahat ng audience on cue na mukha kaming tanga lahat.
Okay.
So, yun lang. But, for this episode, for you, Gia, sobrang perfect nung, nanggaling to kay Judd
Oh, okay.
Gregorio.
Okay.
So, siya yung previous co-host ko na umalis na kasi ayaw niya na daw. Hindi, joke lang. Ang sabi niya, if you have a partner right now and you traveled back in time before you two met, would you try to get to them again when you're 18? Or will you wait until what's your age now? Sorry.
27.
27. Or would you date around or have some adventures before you become that age where you meet your present day partner? Ang hirap nito
Isa
ah.
pa, isa pa.
Isa pa
Take
nga,
two.
nahihilo ko. Ano ba tong tanong na to? Hi! If you have a partner right now
Okay.
Okay.
and you travel back in time before you two met, okay? Would you try to get to them again? When you're 18. So, kunyari, if you have a partner right now, let's say you have a partner, kung ano man, kung sino man, and you traveled back in time.
Okay.
Kunyari, let's say 10 years ago. Would you try to get to them during that time? Or would you wait?
Kasi parang alam mo na
Alam mo na eh.
Oo.
Nangyato si Jad ah.
Gets. So
Or-
parang, okay, or,
Would you have some adventures? What does this mean? Before you become that age where you meet your present day partner. Kumbaga, would you go through with the things na you went
I
through?
went through.
Yeah. Or would you go straight doon sa partner mo at that age?
oh,
This
So
is a
parang-
concept for a movie.
Yeah. It is.
what? So parang would I let it happen again or
Oo,
babaguhin ko?
Oo.
That's basically it,
Pretty
right?
Would
much,
you-
yeah.
Kunyari, 10 years ago.
Oh, let's say
alam
yung
mo-
MU ko na lang nung high school. Kasi yun lang naman yung mayroon ako eh.
Oo.
Oh.
No, I mean, kunyari, meron kang someone now.
Example,
Kunyari,
hypothetically.
hypothetically.
Hypothetically, you have someone now. And then bigla out of nowhere, 10 years ago na to. Would you go to that person na you're currently dating?
Or explore muna.
Whatever happens, happens. Papaisip kayo, no? Kasi
Ang hirap na na.
lang yata si Jad, eh, no? Aalis
Thinker.
na lang, mag-iiwan pa ng bomba.
Ang hirap na na. Kung meron akong partner ngayon.
Sige, sagutin din namin after.
Sige. Siguro ako explore muna.
Right.
I mean, that's kind of like what I'm doing or what I did. And I liked that. I really did. Para lang ako, kasi ganito, ano bang average lifespan ng Pilipino? 70.
Mhm.
Halfway na ay 35.
Which
So,
halfway
tama ba?
dead. Parang
Damn.
half dead ka na rin.
Half dead ka na. 50% na lang battery health mo.
I need another 50%.
So parang ako, not so bad if I'll be with someone for 35 years.
Yeah.
Kung if 35 nga, sabay kami mag-70. I mean, kung ideally, no? Or let's say 30, 20 years with someone. Tapos na-enjoy ko yung buhay ko nang wala pa siya. Eh di nice.
So you would...
I would explore.
okay. Okay. Ikaw?
Adventures.
Yeah. I think same medyo same take because the way na I see it is I had to become the person who I am now to meet that perfect person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if I go back and redo everything, like if I, like example, went back in time to meet that person right away, I wouldn't be the same person based on the experience that I
Right.
had, diba? So I feel like there's growth in that time that got you to where you needed to be.
Okay. Here's what I think. I agree. I would also, I think, would want to try, kumbaga, meeting other people din. Kasi yun naman yung nangyari na eh. Nag-travel ka lang pabalik eh. Pero, I think, yung kung sino man yung dinedate mo ngayon na nag-travel ka before, kung sino, iba yung tao yung mamimit mo eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
They're not
Tama.
gonna be the same person.
Tama.
Baka nag-imo-imo pa sila nun eh. Alam mo yun?
Baka
people
Jejimon
change.
pa ako
Baka,
nun.
baka nagki-creep walk pa silang ganun. Diba? So parang, would you love that person? Maybe, kasi alam mo siya talaga. Pero, would it be the same person? I don't think
No.
so. And, nagustuhan ka niya present day eh.
Exactly.
Hindi naman yung
That
version,
version,
mo
yes. That
before.
version of you. Mm-mm.
So, kung sino man yung makikita when you travel back 10 years ago,
We won't even recognize each other.
yes, it's not gonna be the same people.
'Cause
Diba? And-
were you the person you were 10 years ago? Like if even just sa sayo ngayon, you're so different from who you were 10 years
Sobrang
ago.
Kahit nga lapitan na lang natin last year.
That's true.
I'm a different Gian back in 2025.
Yeah.
Different.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Iba. So parang sa akin, ang philosophical niya if iisipin mo eh. Kasi parang sabi nila, you're not gonna step on the same river twice.
Wow!
Heraclitus yun. Or
Wow!
Heraclitus ba? Whatever. So parang, totoo eh. Even yung kahapon, I don't think, iba na yung set of ano mo eh, na feeling ko na factory reset tayo all the time.
Sobrang iba ko kahapon, can I just say. Wala lang, gusto ko lang to sabihin bilang time capsule. Wow! May wala
Sige.
lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin yun para pag binalikan ko to, Gian, may nalaman ka. Sobrang ibang-iba ka talaga. Kasi sobrang proud naman ako sa'yo. Congrats.
What I would revise from that stupid question joke lang, is baka naman pwede ka bumalik in time to tell yourself na hey, this is the person that you're gonna end up with.
Do everything you can to
Do
get
everything
there.
you can to get there, or at least do whatever you feel is right. Kasi it will lead you there. Diba? Pero
Pero kasi kung sasabihin mo rin yun sa
Mag-iiba,
kanya,
no?
iba eh.
oo.
Baka,
Yeah.
or siguro baka maging complacent, ay makakamit ako ng ganyang tao.
Okay. Okay lang pala eh.
Okay
Oo.
lang. Sige,
Bata
wala.
pa ako ngayon eh.
Parang yung sa endgame lang yan eh. When Doctor Strange did the... di ba ayaw niyang sabihin kay
Oo.
Tony Stark yung
Yung one.
one reality where they win. So baka ganun din yun. You know, you have to go through all the shit to get to be where you need to be.
And also the fear of the unknown.
Yeah, that's a big factor
Diba?
also.
It also helps you
Yeah.
do your best or show up eh.
May loophole din ako eh. Dun sa tanong na yun. Like, nag-travel ka, di ba?
Oo.
It is gonna be two of you. If you're gonna, like, yun yung theory, di ba? The time travel theory.
Magbabranch siya.
Hindi magdadalawa ka. So, why you as a 30-year-old man,
Nasa 20-year
as a 20-year-old, kung sino man yung kapartner mo, di ba? Who are you, mister?
Oo, parang,
Sino ka?
How did you enter the university campus? No, I'm from here.
in a stranger
from
danger, gago.
Oh, gago.
30-year-old doon. Nakakusap ako. Magkaka-partner daw ako. Ano sasabi nito?
Meron iPhone 17. What? We only have iPhone
10?
10.
10 by... When did they stop doing that? Basta anyway.
Anyway. So yeah, madaming loophole yung tanong na yun. Pero thank you for...
Thank you guys. Thank
So
you guys.
nakikinig ka, yesterday's Gian. Ay, tama.
Oh, yeah.
Future ba?
Future Gian.
Future
Future
Gian.
Gian.
This is yesterday's Gian. Kung nakikinig ka, may nalaman ka. The day before this recording.
Wow.
At sinabi niya sa amin yun. So, good morning.
Morning. Good morning.
So, yeah. But thank you for, being our guest. Salamat sa pagpunta. Salamat sa pagbiyahe. Thank you for your time. And what can we expect, siguro, from Gian this 2026, if you may
Wow.
disclose?
Of course. More episodes on the pod. Hopefully you guys
Yes.
on the pod.
Please book us.
Yes.
Okay, okay. And we also have a thing called Backyard Live, if you guys have heard of it. It's a
Red light.
backyard
Backyard.
live.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
It's an intimate concert. Na 360 yung setup. So like the artist in the middle, the people
All
watching.
around the side.
Yes.
Wow.
So we hold that at least once a month in Backyard Warehouse Studio in QC.
Okay.
So we have different artists. Ang dami. So far OPM and like maybe just like a couple of international artists na bumisita sa Philippines. Ano siya, medyo maliit lang siya na like intimate concert.
Yeah, but those are the best ones.
Yes. So if you want this, will this be on YouTube?
Yes.
Oh, YouTube to, diba? So
Yes.
guys, after this, if you're curious, search lang Backyard Live.
Okay.
You'll see it. And then we do it live talaga. It's open. It's not just a video thing. So yun, we have a lot of that. I'll invite you guys over
Yeah,
Yes,
we'd
please,
love
we'll
to,
be there.
one of these days. And then what else? I think that's it mainly. Kasi I am just taking it slow. I don't wanna start new projects this year. For me, ang goal ko lang, objective ko lang personally is to like continue the things that I started last year and like do it well.
Right.
So, which the two of the things that I mentioned are a part of.
Right. All right. One last thing. Before you leave, you need to ask one question for the next two
For our next guest.
For our next guest na
Oy.
hindi mo naman kilala.
Next.
Hirapan mo, please.
Not Judd level hirap. Pero,
Oo, kasi masyadong
no, but you can ask anything na...
Kailangan ba deep? Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Kahit
basta make it hard for them.
Hard. Uy, hirap ah. Hirap ng question. Ano bang tatanong ko sa susunod? Pwede pa naman mag-isip, no?
Actually, wala pa yata kaming guest.
Isip ako ah. Sorry guys.
Sige lang. Pero ang weird kasi sumakto kay Gian yung question na yun.
Galing nga eh.
Oo. Pero actually, over the past few, sumasakto din eh. I remember the last like 5
Yeah,
episodes.
pero hindi siya intentional eh.
Oo, ganda.
Where's my like, ginagano ko yung brain ko eh. Gano ng files dito. Meron ba tayo archive dyan? Mga question.
Kaya pala siya
Na para bang ano
Baka
eh.
ma-adapt ko yan, Gagi.
Gagana. Oh,
Fuck!
nasan yung...
Dito.
Ano nga? Sino?
Oh man, wait. Okay lang ba magtingin sa notes
Go
ko?
browse.
Yeah.
And while you're doing that, gusto ko lang ulit isabihin sa mga tao na if you haven't joined our Facebook group yet on yung Walang Edit with Leland Facebook group, please do so. If you want more behind the scenes or other content regarding the podcast, you can post there. Please post there and share it to your friends. And rate the podcast, please. Ano pa? Tito's. Again, meron silang 20% off sa lahat ng street tacos from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. sa both branches ng Tito's. Isa sa Capitolio, isa sa Green Hills, beside Vault. Galing na memorize ko yung promo.
Galing.
Hindi ko alam na kaya
Galing.
ko yun.
Walang script.
Oo,
eh.
Caution Hut. Na-promote din namin kayo. Baka naman. Soupy soup. Anyway. The fuck? Who says soupy soup? Okay. Yeah.
Ay, naisip ko, hindi siya ganun ka-deep though. But like, if you could choose one between going back to the past or taking a peek at the future, but you cannot do anything about it.
You can't do anything about it.
You cannot change it.
Okay.
What would you do?
If you change, either you change something,
Go back to the
go back
past
to the past and
Change
something, or take a look.
or silip ka lang sa future, pero hindi mo siya mababago. What
Ganda
would you
nun.
do?
Damn. At alam ko hindi natin dapat sagutin. Pero nakatakot mag-peak.
Oo.
Di ba?
Pero pag peak mo, ikaw,
Oo, like, diba, like, what if it's something you don't like, tas you're destined for that
yeah,
na?
for sure.
Oo.
That's what exactly, parang yun mismo yung na-expect ko.
Oo.
Kasi hindi mo siya mababago. Like,
Yeah.
no matter what you do. It's
And
that.
it's gonna keep you up at night for the rest of your life until that moment comes. Thank you for that.
That's a very good question.
That's a thinker. But yeah, thank you, Gian. Palapan natin ulit si Gian. And thank you, Pao Katigbak.
Yes.
For all of the tries.
Thanks for blessing us with your, hair.
I grew it myself.
And that's it for today's episode. Again, please do rate the podcast kasi I need good ratings, good reviews. If mag-lead kayo ng bad review, wag na. What else? Go to comedymanila.page/shows for comedy shows. I'll be doing a show on April 11 sa Cellar yan. Matagal pa naman by the time this episode comes out. And happy Valentine's, happy Hearts Month. Tama ba? Hearts Month. And I hope this episode, whatever. Kung ano man makuha nyo dito, go lang. Share to your friends. Blah, blah, blah.
Malaki na kayo.
Laki na kayo.
Malaki na kayo, ga?
Malaki na kayo. Kakain na kami ulit. This is Walang Edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.